gagawin natin? Well, we are welcoming you to Adolescents JRU! Hello mga Karizalians! We are back sa Adolescents JRU. So we have our first interviewees for today. Please state your name.
Ash po.
Ash, okay, and you are?
Richard.
Okay, so for the first question po, let's see. What is the biggest challenge you faced as a teenager or like today po? So far, what is the biggest challenge that you faced?
Since kami naman ay college na tapos nursing din yung tinik namin, syempre di mawawala din yung pagme-memorize sa mga redems, answering the quizzes na biglaang quizzes after ng lessons, tapos yung gahol na uwian ng gabi kapag malayo yung bahay.
Actually, saan po ba kayo na, if you don't mind me asking?
Nakatira? Sa Binangonan.
Saan po yun?
Sa Rizal.
That's very far. Even ako rin po actually. Umuwi ako sa Taguig. I really understand the struggle kapag umuwi ka gabi na, tapos traffic pa, di ba?
Kasi biglang umulan.
Diba? So, for the second question naman po, let's see. What's the one thing that you wish adults understood better about teenagers?
Like, siguro yung...
Sure.
Siguro yung yung paglalabas sila sa bahay, tapos gabi na sila makakauwi. Kasi merong mga bata talaga na hinahanap yung saya sa labas na hindi nila nakikita sa loob na dapat na nafe-feel nila. Yes, katulad ng bonding, so which is baka mamaya yung family nila is not in the state of na happy or stable, ganito ganyan. So sa friends nila hinahanap or sa ibang tao, kaya mas more on gusto nilang lumabas kasi doon nila nakikita or nahahanap yung feelings na gusto nila, like happy, gano'n.
Yes. Understood. Parang may pinanggagalingan. Actually, I relate to that. Okay, for the third question naman po, have you ever experienced peer pressure and how did you handle it?
So basically for the peer pressure, parang public speaking lang yan, like talking in front of the class. You just have to talk slowly. Like, gather your thoughts muna bago magsalita. Since kapag salita ka lang ng salita, pwede kang ma-mental block, pwede kang mamali sa sinabi mo, leading to, para tatawanan ka ng mga kaibigan mo sa may front row, diba? Tapos minsan pagtitipan ka pa. Pero hindi naman siya kahihiyan ang ma-peer pressure since normal naman to lahat sa mga estudyante.
Yes, okay. Thank you. That's a very insightful answer po. Actually, parang naging one of my mottos na yung, if you're scared, just do it scared. Diba? Agree ba kayo? Yes. Okay, for the last question naman po, what keeps you motivated when things get really tough?
Siguro yung yung RN sa dulo ng name ko. Kasi ayun talaga yung nakaka-motivate na bakit ko ito ginagawa. So bakit ako nandito, ba't ako nag-aaral? For that RN and yun lang. So dun kami na ma-motivate kahit sila tanongin.
For the satisfaction din yun. Yung title na yun.
Yes.
Okay.
Alam mo yun, registered nurse tayo.
Oo, gano'n. So,
What year na po ba kayo? Anong year?
Second.
Mag-duty na kami.
Yes.
Okay, sa next 2 years po, tayo namin yan. Mga years ba? At least. Okay, so, kaya nyo po yan. Okay, so thank you so much po again. You are?
Ash po.
And?
Richard.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ate, Ate. Thank you, Ate Ash, and thank you, Kuya Richard.
So for our third interviewee, here's state your name and then yours, Jan.
I am Jana Nicole Villanueva and I am from Arts and Design.
So, okay lang ba ngayon? Kamusta ka? Ganyan?
Okay naman.
So, ito yung mga questions namin for you. Number 1, what's the biggest challenge you've faced as a teenager so far?
Yung identity crisis po.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Number 2, what's one thing you wish adults understood better about teenagers?
Yung struggles nila sa school, anything related sa genders nila.
So, for the third one, have you ever experienced peer pressure and how did you handle it?
Pagdating sa academics, then hindi ako nakakasabay sa grades. Iniisip ko na lang na it doesn't matter naman kasi at the same time, magka-level pa rin naman kami. Kasi magkakasama pa rin kami sa ups and downs namin. We understood each other naman. So
for the fourth question, what keeps you motivated when things get really tough?
I usually play online games.
Online games like?
Usually mga MOBA games.
Mobile games?
MOBA.
Like, MOBA?
Siya, mga 5v5.
Okay. So, that cheers you off naman?
Oo. Kasi doon ko nalalabas
So, meron ka bang any message sa mga manonood natin? Like, any message at all? Actually, guys, etong kasama natin ngayon na interviewee, she is actually a friend of mine. So, medyo kilala ko na to. So, anong gusto mong sabihin na sa amin?
Kaya nyo yan.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Siyempre, guys, it's important na, sabi nga niya, magkakasama naman tayo lahat sa ups and downs natin. Hindi naman forget, you failed at this specific thing, eh hindi ka na tatamahan ng mga kaibigan mo. Because they're your friends, diba? Andito sila para sa'yo. So, thank you for that insightful answer, Jana. And we'll move on to our next interviewee. Welcome back again, mga Karizaliano. So, today was a very interesting day, no, Jermaine?
Totoo, te. As in, ang dami naming nalaman. Yung iba't ibang tao, may iba't ibang pinagdadaanan. Ganun.
Actually, medyo na-intrigue ako sa answer ng mga isang interview doon. Yung friend ko, this is not biased, but yun na yung friend ko si Jana. I didn't know she was dealing with stuff like that. So, anong part man ng interview is yung doon ka na-intrigue or na-interested?
Super interested ako dun sa isa to our last interviewing. Since meron pala siyang hindi halata kasi sa sa face niya na may hinahanap siyang ganong problems. So,
Ay, may mukha ba yung... May mukha ba? Ano yung mukha?
As in, parang, walang problema.
So, as we end our vlog interview, medyo nag-leave siya ng impact sa atin, no? Sa mga pag-iisip natin na dapat natin isa puso. Yung kahit na ang dami nating mga problema, dapat magpe-persevere pa rin tayo, syempre. So, ano bang masasabi mo, Jeremy?
What truly is more important is creating more and safe environment for all. Since hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao.
Ayun na. Okay, so thank you very much for watching our vlog interview. Again, I am Caitlyn.
And I am Jermaine.
And thank you for watching Adolescents JRU.